Welcome back everyone to the Collector channel. Today I'll be doing part 2 of this Pokemon booster box of Sword and Shield Darkness Ablaze. I have 4 packs up here. These are the 4 packs that I'll be saving for my Pokemon booster pack collection. They are one of each of the 4 artworks. So again, here they are, and I'll put these aside, and the rest of the box I'll be opening up. Alright, so for our first pack, here it is. And we are after the Charizard V and VMAX card. The last box, or the last pack opening, I didn't really get much, so hopefully this one's a little bit better. That's what I'm hoping for, and I think it will be. Alright, so that's pack number 1. We have several more to go. And there's the reverse holo there. So yeah, we're getting, looks like in each pack, a holo or reverse holo. Okay, so I mentioned in the other video I'm still learning all of the names of the Pokemon, especially the newer stuff. I don't know at all, so I'm going to attempt to say the names here, and we'll see how wrong I get these now. We have Wimpod, Grimer, I guess, okay, Clink, Ducklet, Mareep, Gliscopod, that's it. Okay, we got a V, Galarian Slowbro. Cool, okay, that's a cool card. We'll set that aside. The Slowbro goes aside. Energy card, Billowing Smoke, Turbo Patch, and a Vibrava? Something like that. Okay, close enough. Alright, next pack. I guess the only way to learn the names is just try to say them out loud. Okay, so we have Swovit, Shelmet, Panpour, Teddy Ursa, Rookidee, Panpour, and Scizor VMAX, yeah, because last opening we got the V, now we have the VMAX, so cool, that's our first VMAX. Neat card. We're hoping to get the Charizard too. I don't know if we'll get a second one in the box, maybe. Oh wait, I gotta go back here. So energy card, Flaffy, Carnivine, and a trainer, Big Parasol. Okay, so I think I got that one. So yeah, definitely doing a lot better with these packs. Electrike, Fletching, Mr. Mime, Torfic, Aron, Hoopa, Serena, Energy, yeah, Serena with a silent T, there we go, okay. Gothorita, Kaboo, Turbo Patch, okay, there we go. Yeah, set that code card aside. Cufant, Sinistea, Phoebus, Passimian, Fletchling, Trapinch, I don't know, Reverse Holo, cool card, and the Holo, Energy card, I'll finish this pack at least saying the names. Decidueye, okay, wow, that one I was totally off. Energy, Toxapex, Clang, and Simbasage, okay. Alright, so this next one here I'm just gonna peacefully look through without saying much. Or at least trying to say the names. I'll talk, I just The names get a little bit intense saying all of them. Jigglypuff, I'll say that one. That's the fun one. Clink. And I got those boxing gloves again, the struggle gloves. Alright, so we're down to what, 5 or 6 packs, something like that. We're getting down there. We had 36 packs to start with, so we're really going through these pretty quickly here. Kind of like a fast storm going through here. Mr. Is that Rhyme? Mr. Rhyme, okay. Is he related to Mr. Mime? Brother? Father? No? Yeah, we're not sure exactly, but we know he's related somehow. Okay, code card aside. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 packs left. There's the reverse holo, then the holo. Okay, down to 3 packs. And we'll do a conclusion here. I'm not sure what the conclusion is. If we don't get anything, this box may not be the best box that I've gotten. But if we get something, maybe it's a good box. So we still have a chance with 2 packs left. If we could get a Charizard VMAX, it would make it all worth it. All right, 2 packs left. Here it goes. Grab a hole. There we go. Got it that time. Okay, 1 pack left. It's coming down to 1 final pack. The Charizard pack here. Can we get something really good in here? We will see. And I don't think I did, but let's see. Oh, okay. That's a neat V. Vikavolt, okay, so that's cool. So not too bad. I mean, it's not too bad of cards here. Heat and Energy card is the last card. So that is it. Here's the back of the cards, so they all look the same. So you've seen this one, and you've seen all of these. So let's see here. These are the cards I set aside, these 3. So we got 1 VMAX out of there. So in my opinion, I didn't get the greatest box. Definitely didn't. Either that, or there's really good cards in these packs I'm saving. So it could be that there's just really good cards in here. We could have 2 or 3 of these packs, or even all of them, have something really good in them. And I have a feeling there's some good cards in here, but I will save them in the pack collection. And I like having that in the pack collection too. I don't like to have just packs that potentially don't have anything good in them. I like to have, you know, packs that are a mystery that could have something good or not, you know, you just don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.